What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another car mount, you guys. This one is for a tablet. I'm not sure if you can use a phone on it just yet. From the pictures, I just saw a tablet. So let's go ahead and get into it. And yes, I will be installing this in the car. And wow, this thing is actually humongous. It looks a little bit smaller on the pictures. So here we go. This is a different style of a mount, you guys. This one is supposed to mount on your rear view mirror. So that's pretty cool. Oh, nice, nice. Seems like it can hold a big tablet. It's a little bit under 10 inches. Oh, and did I break it? If you let go, it snaps back really hard. So you got the ball right here. So just like a regular mount, you guys, you're gonna put that through for the ball, put the ball in, and then this is how you tighten the angle that you want. All right, so this is pretty much self-explanatory, you guys. Y'all see the little teeth right there? They have little teeth right here on this one. And you put it in. All right. Got your little wing nut or wing screw. Tighten that up. This is the part that's supposed to hook up to your rear view mirror. It actually have pads on it. So for the people with the luxury cars or just, you know, don't want nothing to damage their car, then just know that it should be protected with these little rubber grips right here. All right, we got that. And then there's one more. So you see these slots right here. All right, you have to fit it in and pull it down, push it down, and now you heard that snap. It shouldn't come off, well, at least not easy. And then you put it whatever angle you want and tighten it with the ball. But we're gonna leave it loose because we are gonna take it upstairs to test it out. Now, the biggest tablet I have for now is, you know, iPad mini. But we do plan on getting another iPad. My wife wanna, the new iPad. So I told her she might as well get an iPad Air. At least it have the M1 or chip or the M2 chip or whatever. That will be better than getting the A15 chip. Why did I go off on that? Sorry. The only one we have is an iPad mini. So we will test that out on here. I believe it works though because, oh, wrong one. That's for the mirror. The way it's stretched out to, I believe this fits a Pro. All right. This thing stretched out pretty long. So, all right, you guys, let's go ahead. Use our new car mount. All right. So if you want to open the back, there you go. Now, remember, this is to go onto your rear view mirror. And this is as tight as it gets. Okay. So if you have a small rear view mirror, this may not work for you. Now you do have adjustable that goes in and out. See, this pushes in and out like easy. But the top one do not go that easy. Maybe because it's still new. But yeah. So if you want to push them all the way in, push it all the way in. All right. Now you have adjustables right here in the back. What are they for? It looks like to take this piece off or adjust it so you can adjust it to make it wider. So if you have a big rear view mirror, I don't know nothing about newer cars, you guys. Maybe newer cars have big rear view mirrors, maybe like pickup trucks or something. So this thing have a lot that you can do. You can go side to side on your rear view mirror part. I'm gonna leave mine straight up and down. And you know, you have the adjustment here for your tablet, all right, or your phone. I will try my phone for you guys, but right now I'm gonna squeeze both sides. I'm gonna put it on. It is tight, all right? I'm trying to slide it off and it is on there, you guys, all right? Now, as far as the tablet goes, I don't have no case or nothing, so I'm not going to be too rough with this, but I have it on tight. So that is tight right there. So I could basically aim it towards the driver, or you can aim it straight, or you can aim it towards your passenger. However you want to do it, it can be done, you guys. So the mount is awesome in my opinion. I have it so tight, even when you move it, I'm moving the whole mirror. So it is on tight. Now, if you want to loosen it to make your adjustments, you can do so. But for right now, it's looking pretty good. Let me see what the phone, how it works with the phone. All right, you guys, and it fits the Google Pixel 7 very well. I believe it's 6-inch. So if you have a 6-inch phone, it fits good. Even if you have a little bit smaller phone, I'm pretty sure it will fit. I will try to put the dimensions of what can fit on here and what can't fit. But this is awesome, you guys. I love this mount right here. This is pretty cool. All right, so you have your mount here. You can have your own device over there and all types of stuff going on. So having fun doing this. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.